Gus, tell your friends to shut up. Go tell them. Go tell them to shut up. My God, Gus, you never had my back.
Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
So I've been wanting to film a truth or dare video in the rain because why not? I got a couple dares. No one asked me a truth. Everyone hates me. The first dare I got was from my friend Bryant. He says, sing a song backwards. I got you here. Flow, channel Disney with the Flow, channel Disney the with everyday, bro. Flow, channel Disney the with, bro, everyday. It's everyday, bro. That song is honestly so. I'm wearing this hat because my hair honestly looks so bad and I didn't want to do my hair, so I just grabbed whatever hat was closest to me and put it on. Happened to be my brother's. I still make it work though. The second dare I got was from, can y'all go die somewhere else? I swear. Jesus. There's an ambulance down the street. The second dare I got was from my friend Marco. He says, expose one of your hoes. Which one? I guess I'll expose myself. I'm a hoe. I'm just kidding, I'm a saint. I'm not a sinner. The third dare I got was from, I don't even know who these dares are from, honestly. These dogs in my neighborhood. Every time I want to talk. My friends just sent me these on Snapchat and I don't remember which one sent which. I'm gonna say this one's from, I don't know, forgot. Lace? Most likely not, but whatever. Third dare is twerk on someone who's not your family member. Let me twerk on you. Even though I ain't got booty. Do you like that, Gus? Am I cute now, Gus? Am I cute? Am I cute? Am I cute now? Next question I think came from my friend Fernando. It says do a handstand. Sorry if it wasn't Fernando, but I don't remember who.
Nope.
Of course you'd give me this one, Asia. Dump a bowl of ice in your undies. I'm not wearing undies. I can do this. Oh! My God! The ice had melted. I just... Oh my God. I'm gonna get frostbite on my cooch. Okay, that concludes today's video of me doing absolutely dumb stuff. My mom is watching me. She didn't say anything though, so lucky me. My brother did. Saw me through the window. He's disappointed in me. So is everyone else, so who cares? Adios. I forgot to say subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Subscribe. Please.